Just how do you get a nice paint finish on trim? Hey, what's up, guys? My last video, I showed you how to prep your trim for paint. In this video, I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to paint your trim. A couple of things to start with. Number one is going to be the brush. The brush is going to be very important. You're going to want a nylon polyester blend brush, and typically we're going to use a 2 or 3 inch sash brush for trim. Second is going to be the paint. Do not paint your trim with a water-based acrylic paint. My recommendation is going to be the Pro Classic oil base from Sherwin-Williams. You can use other oil-based paints that are for trim. However, this is going to be my go-to, so that's my recommendation. From there, you're just going to want to brush in nice long strokes so that you can avoid brush strokes. What's nice about the Pro Classic paint is it's fairly self-leveling, so you don't get a lot of brush strokes when it's done. So hey, do me a favor, if you like this content or if you like what we do, I'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribe, hit the little heart, do all the things.